done something in your life that you wish you could take back? Have you missed the mark and hurt others and yourself and messed up relationships because of a mistake? Have you lost your connection with God? Have you been robbed of good health, joy, dignity, finances, or healthy relationships? Whatever condition you find yourself in today, my friends, the good news is there is hope in God's restoration plans for everyone. God is faithful. Our Father desires us to enjoy restoration in every area of our lives. However, we must desire it for ourselves and want to achieve it. Praise be to God. Hello, this is Infinite Restorer. Welcome back to my channel. However, if this is your first time here, a heartfelt welcome. Thanks for stopping by. On this channel, we share restoration gems, information on different topics intended to bring restoration to your life, spirit, mind, and body. This is your season for restoration. So don't forget to subscribe, share, make comments, and hit that notification bell so you wouldn't miss out on any of these precious restoration gems. Greetings, everyone. Hope you are feeling fine and having an awesome day. This video is about emotional baggage. I have decided on this out of many conversations I have had with those affected, and also its far reaching effects on relationships, both personal and professional. This topic will continue in a series of videos, of which this is part 1. Baggage is basically just the metaphor for the heavy experiences we have collected during our life that we carry around. Just like carrying an actual bag wherever you go, it always gets in the way. Such is the idea of emotional baggage, is that it gets in the way of forming connections, of moving as freely through the world as we would like. Baggage can get in the way of the process of forming a new relationship and sustaining current ones. By preventing clear, transparent communication. So you would have to make the effort to work around emotional baggage in your day-to-day relationship in order for it to be successful. One thing I want to say is that the label emotional baggage implies something external to ourselves and something we shouldn't be carrying. It is normal to have had hard experiences that we carried around after, And these experiences and how we cope with them can make them feel like part of us. You can start your healing process from emotional baggage by first not judging yourself too harshly for the baggage you carry, but instead think about where you pick them up, what is inside them, and if you need to carry them anymore, or if they have already served their purpose, maybe in teaching you some valuable lesson or giving you a rewarding experience. Our bodies, hearts, and minds are amazing at working to keep us safe emotionally, physically, and spiritually. So if you have had a bad breakup, then the bags you have picked up are filled with the tools your mind, heart, and body have employed to keep you safe in the future. However, although baggage are often those behaviors and thoughts that can help us feel safer in the short term, in the long run, it can hinder our ability to fully experience the world, including our relationships, especially if they are not profitable. We all come with some baggage into a new relationship. So, part of a new relationship is us clearly understanding what we each want from a partner, what we are each working on, and then deciding if that overall picture works for each of us. My friends, if you have a partner who is willing to work along with you in your healing process, it would be such a wonderful thing. I will continue on this topic in following videos, so stay tuned in. And as always, more love, more light, and be blessed always until I see you again. Bye for now. Thank you for visiting my restoration channel. I trust that you have received some value from my discussion. Please leave your comments, hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. This will be helpful so that I can continue to bring you more restoration gems. This is Infinite Restorer, sending you more peace, more love, more light. Until I see you again, stay well.